Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find unlimited mobile games and apps for your content logging also. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, the website we're going to be using to find these niches is App Annie. Alright, and it's called appannie.com. So once you search for that, you'll be brought to this web page. So basically, you have to sign up with them. All right. So you're going to click this get started for free. All right. Okay. It didn't work in my case because I have an account with them already. So it logged me in right away. So usually it's a fairly easy registration. Yeah, so once you're logged in, it's going to bring you to this page. So now here is how we do the findings. All right, as you can see, it also has an upgrade, a paid version. All right, as you can see, these lock icons, that means once you upgrade, you'll be able to unlock them. But we don't need that. This free version is more than enough. All right, so what we're going to do now, finding games, and you can actually get valuable information about the most downloaded games and apps in the iOS App Store and Google Play Store. So with this website, you can actually find gold mine games using the strategy I'm about to show you now. All right, so and you can search for games or apps based on countries. You can search based on countries. You can search based on categories, which I'll be showing you, which is here. You can search based on categories. You can even search based on based on OS as well. All right, so how are we going to find the games? All right, so you're going to scroll down and come to this section. You have to have in mind which iOS you want to work with, but I usually recommend going with Android because it's easier to find Android modded games other than iOS. All right, if I find any useful websites on finding modded iOS games, I'll be sure to share with you guys. All right, so having said that, so you choose the Android phone, you come to this overall, and also want to be using USA, right? We want to use USA instead. Of course, you can use any country you want, but I recommend you use USA or any first world country, of course. All right, so you come to overall, and then you want to come to games. It has another tab, and then you can actually go for any of these category, but let's go with racing. As you can see, these are currently the most downloaded games in the apps in the Android Play Store right now. Looking at this stats up here from March to 3rd of April 2021, these are the most downloaded games. All right, as an example, let's check this game out. Let's copy it and let's see if we can find the modded version of this game. If you remember the website modroid.com, all right, we'll paste it in there. As you can see, this is the modded version of the game, the Hill Climb Racing 2. You can see unlimited coins and diamonds. All right, as you can see, unlimited coins. So yeah, this is the modded version of the game that you are going to give to the user once they complete your locker. All right, so basically what you're going to do next is, I'll recommend we do this with YouTube. I recommend you promote the game on YouTube because it's super easier to get people to complete offers on YouTube. All right, so we'll go to YouTube and we search for the game, which is Hill Climb Racing 2. And you can see this video was posted 5 hours ago, which means people are really searching for this game, right? And if we scroll down, according to my vidIQ, you can see the volume of this game is so high, and the competition is very low. As you can see, it's almost close to having zero competition. So which means once you put up your video, you are sure to be getting views right away. And you can see this video was posted 6 days ago and it's already at 81k. You can see this is also posted less than a day and it's almost 500,000 views already. As you can see, the person is just showing gameplay of the video. You can see nothing more than that. So basically you can do the same, just show gameplay of the video, and you can put in the description a link where they can download the modded version of the game as well. So it's that simple, guys. It's that super simple. So all you need is this. You can do this for as many games as you like. You know, you can go through different categories as mentioned below. You can try another category if you want. So basically this is the method in a nutshell. All right, search for the trending game. You can go by country, you can go worldwide if you want, and then if you don't have vidIQ installed, I recommend you have it. But usually once the game is around the most downloaded here, it should be fairly easy to rank the game on YouTube, since the game is super hot at the moment. All right, I don't want this video to be super long, so I'll keep it right here. So if you are loving the content on the channel so far, please subscribe to the channel, show some love, drop a like on the video. If you have any question, any video you want me to make, drop it down in the comment section below. I'll be with you as soon as I can. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.